welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you are not, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for coming back. I really appreciate you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be styling my wash and go using the Wetline Extreme Gel, and I got this from Target, and you guys have already used it. It's a styling gel, aloe vera, no residues, alcohol free, and with UV filter. Now, I didn't really use this for my wash and go. I just said I did. I used it on my girl's hair, but I have used this on my edges. You freaking guys, this is the best edge gel ever. Like, I did my hair, like I was like preserving my wash and go, and I would spray my hair and put this on there, and my edges laid down for like 2 days. This is the morning after. Lord, I haven't had any coffee, so excuse that. The morning after, I just have my hair in these 4 sections, and my hair is dry. My ends are damp, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my spray bottle to dampen my hair and apply the gel. So let's get right into the video. So guys, before we get into the wash and go video, I want to show you guys how I prepped my hair for my wash and go and how I am starting to do it. So first, I start off by applying the leave-in conditioner all over my hair, and this is my absolute favorite one. This is the Kinky Curly Not Today. I'm taking it back. I'm taking it back to like the first start of my channel with this leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going to work it into my hair. And the one thing that I've been doing differently with my wash and goes is using my Denman brush to prep my hair prior to applying my gel. I'm really working in that leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to split my hair into 4 sections and brush the leave-in into my hair, making sure I have no tangles and just clumping my curls together. You guys, I have figured out a way to get better hair with my wash and goes, and I can't wait to show you guys. I'm still working on it, so I will be showing you guys when it's perfected. So let's get back to the video.